On today's History in a Minute, fun with English accents. Hey, it's Mr. Philip Campbell with Homeschool Connections History in a Minute. I'm your bearded, nerdy history guru. And did you know that if you speak English, you are invoking a divine blessing down upon someone every time you say goodbye to them? That's right, because in the English language, the phrase goodbye is actually a shortened form of a blessing. God be with ye. God be with ye. That's what they used to say in merry old England. Every time you parted ways, God be with ye. But that's kind of long, and over time that got shortened. God be with ye got shortened to God with ye. God with God, and then B apostrophe Y-E. God with ye. And then that awkward B apostrophe Y-E, the apostrophe eventually got dropped, and it became goodbye. Goodbye. So you look at goodbye, the good used to be God. The bye, B-Y-E, used to be with ye. God with ye. And God with ye turned into goodbye. So that's where it comes from. It's actually a blessing. Can we just sit here and say that for a while? God with ye. God with ye. God with ye. God.